Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm gonna guide you on how to fix technical issues like crashing, stuttering, or black screen while playing Ranch Simulator. There's a few methods that could work for you, so follow them step by step. So the first thing that you want to do is verify the game files. So go ahead and open up your Steam, click on our library right here, find your game, right click on it, click on Priorities. Go to Installed Files and verify integrity of game files. What this will do is going to check for corrupted or missing installation files through Steam Properties menu. Go ahead and wait for it to finish. Once completed, go ahead and exit out this window and relaunch your game. See if the error still persists, and if it does, let's do the second method. The second method is updating your graphics driver. If you do have an AMD, NVIDIA, or Intel, go ahead and download your app for it. So for me, this is the app for me. This is NVIDIA right here. So in my NVIDIA app, this will be actually the same for AMD or Intel, same interface. But again, go to your drivers, find the latest available driver, click on download and install. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC right here, restart, and then relaunch your game. And if the problem still persists, there's another method we could do. So in here, in your library back on Steam, go ahead and right click on your game, click on manage, browse local files. Once it's open, go ahead and find your executable file, right click on it, and run as administrator. This will launch the game with administrative privileges to bypass potential Windows permission conflicts. So if it fixes the issue, or if it doesn't, another method we could do is disable overlays. Turn off background overlays like Discord, Steam Overlay, Xbox Game Bar, or GeForce Experience, which can interfere with gameplay. So what we want to do, let's say this is Discord as well. So go to the settings, find the overlay as here, NVIDIA overlay. This does have the capture screenshots, change graphic settings, and so on. So go ahead and disable it if it's enabled. Again, go ahead and do Discord, Xbox Game Bar, any other overlay that might be on. Go ahead and launch your game, and the problem still persists, it still lags, and it still crashes. There's another solution for that. Go ahead and lower your graphics settings, okay? Reduce resource-heavy settings such as shadows, reflection, textures, and ray tracing to improve stability. If you've done that and it's still doing that, there could be an OS update that might be compatibility issue with modern software. So what you want to do is right-click on your start menu or search bar right here, and then go to updates. Check for updates right here, click on it. Click on check for updates on your Windows. And as for me, I have a device missing important security and quality fixes. That's actually an issue for me as well when I played another game like 007 First Light. So this is the last method that I did and it worked for me. So make sure to do the steps as well. So that's actually the steps that I can take here, and it should be working for you guys. But if you do find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.